Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am here with a new topic. I was just in the Mall of Emirates today and I have bought a new iPhone SE. So since nowadays I'm living in Dubai, and as you know I am making videos on apple fruit and the kind of explore I do. I shoot that moment and want to share my experience with that. So same way I want to change my iPhone today, so I brought a new iPhone SE, which is the best option among the budget, the kind of budget you have. And for those who is looking for in this range, definitely they should go for it. I'm going to do the unboxing of this iPhone, and so stay with me. If you have not liked and subscribed to my channel as of now, so please do that, because I'm going to bring so many different experiences and explore that I do in my life, that is here for you from my side. So you can stay with me, and because I'm going to start the unboxing of my new iPhone. I'm super excited.
So guys, here is my unboxing. You can see a new iPhone white color iPhone SE, which is really cool looking, slim. Actually I love this kind of phones, so that is the reason I bought this model. Along with this you get this charging cable, I mean Apple headphones and charging cable along with the plug. So that's it. Let's do the startup. So iPhone is starting now. So guys, I will share the price. So from Apple, the price of this model you will get 1699 dirham, which is in Indian rupees maybe around 34,000. And this is one of the excellent price, because you get iPhone now in this range. And the feature wise, this phone is really cool. It's almost same like iPhone 11. So for those who are looking for buying iPhone 11, is the best one under this budget, because you get similar features of iPhone 11 in this version. So I would recommend you should go for this, because you get A13 Bionic chip, 12 megapixel camera, and you get 4.7 inch screen, where in the iPhone 11 you get 6.1 inch. So guys, software update for iOS 13.6 is going on. The startup process I didn't show you because there is all my personal credentials, so for the security reason I didn't share that. But it was really fast, so you just back up your phone from the previous iPhone that you have, and then if you don't have iPhone, you have MacBook. I have a MacBook right now, so you can back up from the MacBook as well. So the best is you can do from the Apple ID. So I did the same, and you follow the process, and then here you get the last one. So sharing you my home screen shot.
So guys, finally my iPhone SE setup has been completed, and now I'm sharing the home screen, which is completely same as my old phone iPhone 7. And this feature you can avail if you have iCloud backup, and you just have to put your Apple ID and you will get exactly the same iPhone home screen with the same apps what you're using. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. You can buy, this is really nice with the cool features of same like iPhone 11 and in the budget price. So till then, take care, enjoy with the friends and family. Bye bye.